So Winnipeg police say 6 vehicles were involved in this crash on the Perimeter Highway on Tuesday morning. They say heavy icing on the bridge led to extremely treacherous conditions, not on the entire perimeter, but on the bridge in specific. They say one person was taken to hospital as a precaution, but nobody was seriously injured. And yes, we did get cool through the morning hours on Tuesday. Below the freezing mark in some cases. We actually dropped to -3 in Winnipeg, but this can lead to some pretty dicey conditions on bridges, and here is why. So have a look at this graphic here. 3-degree temperature. We're going to start with that. What we have is the highway, the roadway right here, which is insulated, if you will, by the ground beneath it. So it's keeping that road surface from icing over. As we lose heat through the overnight hours into the early morning, we see the temperature falling down to 2 degrees, the air temperature still keeping that roadway warm, but introduce a little bit of wind, and you see that wind going through that gap beneath the bridge underneath the river, and that really allows these temperatures to really sink, even though it might be above zero as your air temperature, that bridge surface dipping below zero and allowing some of that ice to form. So that's why, especially when we're in this sort of freeze-thaw season, we see some of these really treacherous conditions forming on bridges in particular. So be careful, because we could see in the coming mornings especially some cooler conditions again close to the freezing mark, which we'll get to into your extended forecast. Your forecast for today looks like this: 2s and 3s. Chance we could see some flurries through the Parkland region through the day today. Mainly cloudy skies through the Red River Valley, 4 degrees in Winnipeg, 3 in Gimli, and we're looking at mainly cloudy conditions in the north, maybe some accumulating snow coming into northern Manitoba as we get through the day on Thursday. So your 7-day looks like this: some windy conditions. The sun returns tomorrow, 7 degrees, up to 10 on Saturday. Our seasonal for this time of the year is 2 for a daytime high. And then we do have a chance we could see some snow coming for us as we get into the early part of next week.